Hi everyone, it's Kyle Kane, and I'm so excited to show you our brand new Gabor Designer Series winter collection of gorgeous, heat-friendly wigs. So let's get into it. All the rage. This one has sleek layers, effortless movement, and bold confidence. Edge factor. Modern and versatile, so you can make it your own. Mirror moment. Perfectly dreamy hair with zero effort. On set, a classic style with beautiful volume. Look like you've just stepped out of the salon. Own the room luxury. We took one of your all-time favorites and elevated it with a temple-to-temple lace front and a fully hand-tied top to make it more luxe, make it more refined. Trend alert luxury. Another fan favorite, now upgraded. It has got an extended lace front, hand-tied top. This gives you extra movement, density, and styling versatility you've been asking for. Dare to dream. Expect the unexpected with this stylish pastel purple bob. It's exactly the fun, fashionable, and out of the ordinary wig to express your unconventional attitude. Our newest Gabor Designer Series, a collection of styles inspired by you. And I can't wait for you to try them and make them your own.